Subsequently, in 68 or 69, he was a chief guest in IIM Kolkata for the convocation because he was an ex-IIM Kolkata faculty member. So when he went there, I met him in the evening. Then I told him I did not appreciate all the subjects which were taught to me because I had no experience when I went to Ahmedabad. He said, come back to the classes again. So he told, whenever you can make it, come and attend the classes, we'll allow you to attend the classes. The other incident that took place, my brother died, elder brother. So after the first year, the family told if you can shift to IIM Kolkata. So I approached him. Then he wrote to Mr. Chandy, he was the chairman of governing body IIM Kolkata, if they would take somebody from first year here. Then he said yes, but he'll have to appear for the exam. Ravi said no way. First year in Ahmedabad and Calcutta is same. So he will not appear for the exam. So I didn't go to IIM Kolkata, I stayed by. And I used to even help him later on when he started Javaja village. He used to approach me to sell his goods. So I had to buy things, sell in Calcutta, send the money back to him. So I did that for a long time for him.